Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. This happens to be one of our LS Engine King LS engines. This one happens to have a Borla Stack Injection. All you LS lovers out there, don't forget we do all style intake manifolds for all our LSs. This happens to be the Borla Stack Injection, and it runs fantastic. On a 625 build, it just made about 658 horsepower, and torque was 575. At 4,500, it went to 575 and stayed straight line across to the end of the dyno pole. Hey, fantastic build. If there's anything we can help you with, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Peace.